from Korea Pocono, so we hold our business in here. So we're known as Victorious, or Victorious Fitness.
Started from just a little hall, had to book it out here and there. You know, some nights we weren't even making anything. We were actually going backwards.
Just like to thank the generator for giving us the opportunity and kickstart.
Yeah, wouldn't be here without the generator. Like our kettlebells, sandbags, mats, barbells, everything pretty much had helped us get to where we are. And then also like promotion, getting our name out there more, and so our logos and whatnot, you know, with our design has really pushed us to where we are. We're trying to give back to the community, and even though it can be long days and late nights, they see what we're doing and what the impact that we are having. Rakati's got a new family, and it's good to see him still putting in the work. And the mahi, even though, you know, he's got a new kid and he's got one on the way now, so, you know, it's about two kids to be juggling as well as this. It's going to be quite, I can imagine it to be quite a handful. I'm struggling let alone just by myself, so.
Tika ana me mihi atu ki potatau hoa te whakatautoa mō koutou nei awhina I a māua me o mātou nei Paki.
Yeah, and emerge Aotearoa, and of course the generator.